So next we have square root of a complex number. How do we find square root of a complex number? So first we have algorithm for this. Let's see what's that. Suppose I have a complex number z which is equals to a plus iota b. I have to find square root of this. So I have to find the value of root of a plus iota b. Let this will be a complex number, यानी कि जो इसकी वैल्यू आएगी वो भी आपका एक कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर ही आएगी, तो इसका स्क्वायर रूट जो है वो इस फॉर्म का होगा. सो क्या करें, इसको स्क्वायरिंग का बोथ साइड करें अगर हम इसको, तो a प्लस आयोटा बी इज एक्स प्लस आयोटा वाई होल स्क्वायर. So I get a plus iota b is equals to x square minus y square plus 2 iota xy. So let's compare real part with real and imaginary part with imaginary part. So x square minus y square is equals to a and b is equals to 2xy. So if we are supposed to find the value of x and y, first we will find the value of x square and y square. See how. Last year we have done a formula that a minus b whole square is equals to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So if I have to find this, let's do a plus b whole square is equals to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. So the value of x square plus y square whole square would be value of x square minus y square whole square plus 4x square y square. So this value I have a, this is a square, and 4xy यानी कि 2xy का होल स्क्वायर. सो दिस वैल्यू इज a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर and this is the value of x square plus y square whole square. If you remove square you get square root. So x square plus y square we get root of a square plus b square, and x square minus y square I already had, that is a. So now I have to find x square and y square individually. So x square comes out, adding and subtracting those two equations you will get the value of x square and y square. So x square comes out half of a square plus b square plus a, and y square comes out half of a square plus b square minus a, and root of a plus iota b. So we can do one thing, we can remove the square and make it root, remove the square and make it root. So the value of root of a plus iota b was x plus iota y, and we have found x and y. So x, put value of x and y in this equation to get the result. So when you put this value, when you remove square you get plus minus over here, plus minus over here. So overall you'll get plus minus with the total result. So this is what, half of square root of this, and further the square root of a square plus b square. When you apply this to the question, this square will be removed, plus a minus iota root of half root of a square plus b square minus a. So this is your answer. So if we sum up this result, the root z, square root of root z is basically what, plus minus, this is what, under the root, this is mod z, so half of mod z plus, this is real part of my complex number, real part of z, and plus iota root of mod z minus real part of z upon 2. So these are two answers, meaning by you can simply apply this formula also to find the square root of z, but आई थिंक जो डेरिवेशन हमने किया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग करोगे तो ज़्यादा ईजी लगेगा, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट ईजी टू मेमोराइज दिस फॉर्मूला. So let's do with the help of an example to make it more clear. Suppose we have a question, find square root of minus 7 minus 24 iota. So let my complex number is z minus 7 minus 24 iota, and we have to find square root of this number. So we have to find the value of minus 7 minus 24 iota under the root. Let this value be some a plus iota b. So if we squaring both sides, this gives us minus 7 minus 24 iota is equals to a plus iota b whole square, and this is what a square minus b square plus 2ab iota minus 7 minus 24 iota, and real part will be equal to minus 7 is equals to a square minus b square, first equation, and imaginary part will give you 2ab is equals to minus 24 as a second equation. Now we have to find the value of a square plus b square whole square, and this value is basically what, a square minus b square whole square plus 4a square b square. इस स्टेप को आपने याद रखना है, रिमेंबर, ये अप्लाई होगा ही होगा, बिकॉज हमारे पास अगर हम ऐसे सिंपली ए और बी के लिए सॉल्व करेंगे तो बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाता है. सो ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर is what, minus 7, so this value comes out minus 7 whole square plus 2ab whole square, so this is what, 49, and this is 2ab is minus 24 whole square, this value comes out 49 plus 576, and this is what, a square plus b square whole square, when you remove square you get two values, that is plus minus 625, so this value comes out plus minus 25. So a square plus b square comes out 25, and a square minus b square was 7, so value of this 2a square is 32, and a square is equals to 16, so you get two values of a, that is plus minus 4. Similarly you will get two values by adding, by subtracting you will get two values of b, so those two values would be 2b square is equals to 18, so b square is equals to 9, so we get plus minus 3. So my square root of z was a plus iota b. So case 1, when a is 3, what should be the corresponding value of b? Now question arise कि a आप पॉजिटिव 4 ले रहे हो, तो उसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग b हम क्या ले सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे कन्फ्यूजन है, प्लस का ले के माइनस का ले. हम वापस क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. स्टार्टिंग में जहाँ पे हमने एनालाइज किया था, आपने रियल और इमेजिनरी पार्ट जब अलग किए थे, दिस इक्वेशन इफ़ यू सी द प्रोडक्ट इज नेगेटिव, यानी कि दो नंबर का प्रोडक्ट नेगेटिव तो वन मस्ट बी नेगेटिव, तो दोनों में से एक नेगेटिव होगा. अगर a पॉजिटिव है तो b शुड बी नेगेटिव, तो b विल बी minus 3. When a is minus 4, b will be plus 3. So this is how we select the terms. So number is a is what, if I'm taking a 4, then value corresponding 4 minus 3 iota, and other number you get minus 4 plus 3 iota. So these are the two possible answer. And now I realize that I made a mistake here. a square minus b square was minus 7. So अगर आप यहाँ पे minus 7 लोगे, आप इसको करेक्ट करोगे तो आंसर में वेरी, इनफैक्ट इट विल वेरी, बिकॉज यहाँ पे a का वैल्यू प्लस माइनस 3 आएगा और b की वैल्यू विल गेट प्लस माइनस 4. सो माई पॉइंट इज टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू सोल्व. सो आई थिंक it's clear now. So let's do one more example based on square root. Suppose you have to find the square root of minus 15 minus 8 iota. So let root of minus 15 minus 8 iota would be a plus iota b. Squaring both side करते हैं. Squaring both side किया तो I get minus 15 minus 8 iota is equals to a plus iota b whole square. This value comes out a square minus b square plus 2ab iota. So minus 15 minus 8 iota gives you minus 15 is equals to a square minus b square, your first equation, and minus 8 is equals to 2ab, second equation. So what is the formula we have to keep in mind? That is what a square plus b square whole square comes out from a square minus b square whole square plus 4a square b square. This value I have minus 15, make square of this, then 2ab whole square, this is what 225, and this is what 8 square minus 8 square, so 225 plus 64, so this value is 289. So the a square plus b square whole square is, so this value is what 13 square, so a square plus b square whole square, this value comes out a square plus b square is equals to 13. So a square plus b square is 13. This is the third equation, and this is your first equation, a square minus b square 15. So solve these equation to get the values. So 2a square minus b, 2a square is equals to minus 2. So now this value is a square is equals to, sorry, this value is 17 square, so you'll get this 17. So when you simplify further, so this is 17, so 17 minus 15 gives you plus 2, so a square comes out 1, so value of a is plus minus 1. Similarly, when you solve this further, you get value of b square is equals to 16, and this will give you two values of b plus minus 4. So now if a is 1, what should be b? If a is minus 1, what should be b? So that depends upon the product. So again product is negative, so if a is positive you will take value of b as negative, so minus 4. If a is negative we need to take positive value of b, so we get a plus iota b as square root of z. So square root of z was this, a is what, a1 minus 4, so minus 1 plus 4 iota, or second value is 1 or minus 4 iota. So these are the four required answers.